Hello everyone, welcome to Biosanskati. Today we will learn about mitochondria, its unique feature, detailed study of its structure and their function, mitochondrial disease, and how we will diagnose them, like whether it is MRI or a CT scan. Before we jump into the topic, I want to ask you some few questions. Do you know Ronaldo? Do you know PV Sindhu? Do you know Chirag Singh? They all are athletes. Do you guys ever wonder why athletes have more stamina than a normal person? It's okay, I tell you, because they actually have more mitochondria, not an inborn quality, but it is an acquired quality. So, your next question might be, how can we increase mitochondria like athletes? So listen carefully. You just have to do more and regular basis endurance training or an aerobic exercise. That's how the mitochondria in your muscle will gradually increase. So now let's talk about the unique features of mitochondria. It is a double membrane bound organelle, which means it is made up of two substances, protein and lipid. Beside the mitochondria, there are two nucleus and chloroplast are the double membrane bound organelles, which is especially found in eukaryotic, or we can say that it is the unique feature of a eukaryotic, and it is located in cytoplasm. It is also called a semi-autonomous organelle because mitochondria synthesize its own protein, not the whole amount but some of its amount by its own machinery. Richard was the one who firstly described mitochondria and called them bioblasts. And Carl Bender was the one who given the term mitochondria. It is rod shaped in a structure. It is a rod shaped in a structure, and it is about 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. In diameter, and the most frequently asked question is, what is the mitochondria? It is the powerhouse of the cell. And why it is called the powerhouse of the cell, we will discuss it together with its function. Now we'll talk about the mitochondria structure. This is the matrix. This is the ATP synthesis, which means it is a protein which convert ADP into ATP. This is Christie junction. These are the Christie, and it is the Christie junction. It is the ribosome. Ribosome main role is to synthesize the protein. Synthesize the protein. It is the inner membrane, it is the granules, it is the outer membrane. Inner membrane have a large surface area or more surface area than the outer membrane, due to which due to the Christie, because for their mitochondrial activity. Now we will talk about the mitochondrial activity or its function to explain why it have large surface area of an inner membrane. Number one is to generate ATP. Due to this, mitochondria does all the cellular activity, and it is also called the currency. It is also called the currency of mitochondria. It is also called the currency of mitochondria. Number two, it perform the program cell death, or we can say apoptosis, due to which we can free from all the abnormal cell and it's prevent cancer, or we can say that it blocked when the patient have suffer from when the patient suffer from the cancer. When patients suffer from the cancer, it perform it regulate the stem cell and store the calcium ions and protect from the cold by non-shivering thermogenesis, which means it generate body heat when we were in a colder region to help and maintain the body temperature. And it is the remove of the waste material, that is ammonia. And here are the some disease which occur due to malfunctioning in mitochondria. This is Corin-Sire syndrome. Corin-Sire syndrome, KSS, in which eye muscle is paralyzed before reaching the age of 20. You can see in the picture in 1998 and the last picture in 2004. It's looked like eyes were about to close, and this situation called the dropping the eyelids, or we can say in biological term ptosis. And here are some CT scan images. If you look closely, you will find the first picture. You will find in the first picture and the last picture are different in size and shape. First picture is the healthy patient CT scan, and the last picture in which patients suffer from dementia and Alzheimer. And you will wonder, how can we identify by which technique and by which procedure this disease? Here are some techniques like MRI, which means magnetic resonance imaging, and the CT scan, which means computerized tomography, and the third one is the urine test, and the fourth one is the MRS test, which means magnetic resonance spectroscopy, and also known as NMRA spectroscopy. And the fifth one is electroretinography, and the sixth one is the ECG. It is the electrocardiogram. And this is all for the topic mitochondria. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will back soon with another topic. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.